increased since the pandemic.
The National Weather Service in Miami has a
Today where we live, we look at one approach called
in southwestern Florida.
Alice James, quote, eduvist or education activist, says, surveyors surveys free people. She launched My Reflection Matters, an education consultancy, and more recently a co-learning co-op. She joins us on the Hear from Other Paths. Do you have experience with homeschooling? Join the conversation where we live right after the news.
Live from NPR News, I'm Dale Wood. U.S. employers added 390,000 jobs last month. That's according to the Labor Department. So the continuing strong jobs growth shows the enormous progress his administration has made in rebuilding an economy damaged by the pandemic.
In today's numbers, the jobs over the last few months have averaged about 400,000 jobs per month. That's historically robust and a sign we're beginning to shift to steady growth after rapidly recovering 600,000 jobs per month over the prior 6 months.
The unemployment rate, meanwhile, was unchanged at 3.6%. Pennsylvania U.S. Senate Republican primary candidate David McCormick has conceded the election to Dr. Mehmet Oz. The race has been deadlocked and undergoing a recall.